What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Havoc Garage video. Today we are installing the side skirts that I had painted, and got Raphael chilling, doing nothing.
Yeah.
As usual.
This guy over here. Look at these side skirts, my man.
They look good.
Yeah, they look good. But
to install them.
What is this?
Hey, that's my bad.
And then we got this thing. This.
Yeah.
This.
We got a little hole here. That piece didn't work out.
Want me to put it
got
in?
that. Sure. It's just a for now thing.
I don't think it fits.
It's probably not even gonna. You for real?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Bro, for real?
Yeah.
It said fits, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't fit if it's not. Yeah, if it's making that sound, it doesn't fit. Cool. So, don't go to Amazon and buy a tow hook. It was just for looks. I wasn't even gonna have it on there longer than a week. But
damn, that's dense.
Turns out that it doesn't even fit. That's a bummer. I mean, it was only $21, but wow. Yeah, it doesn't fit.
Putting it in. Maybe I'm just putting it in wrong.
I mean, maybe.
Okay.
That's weird. So reverse thread.
That's weird. That makes no sense. GTIs. God. We're about to take these little side things off that come OEM on the GTI. And then after that, we can install those. We got Rivnut gun, or whatever it's called. Shout out Team Breaknecks. Daniel, where you at? But this is the Rivnut gun, or Rivet gun, whatever.
Got it straight off Amazon.
Don't buy stuff from Amazon 2 seconds ago.
Okay,
this is actually.
I heard this was legit. Reviews 5-star.
Well, you can buy something that's 5-star review and still be trash.
I've never used a Rivnut gun before. We're about to find out. I'm using M6. This right here. If I can get the thing out.
This guy.
We'll be back.
Alright, so Mark took off the OEM side skirts.
I just put these back on, bro.
Oh yeah?
I think these are better.
Yeah, they look better.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how nasty they.
What?
Yeah, so what was it? Just 3 screws?
3 T25 screws underneath, and then literally I just pulled it out. There's these little screws in here, and I kind of just ripped it out.
Wait, that held it in?
Well, it was like holding on to right here, but when I ripped it off, all of them came off. I don't know if it was like held on to
This is gonna be in the way, I think.
I don't know.
Oh, they don't fit.
No, I can't.
Oh. No, it actually doesn't fit.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
I need like another few centimeters. Oh, maybe it's just a perfect fit.
It really is.
Yeah.
It's tight.
How much?
You know, I wonder if it's so perfect where I can't have this fender liner on.
Here, hold this.
Hey, look, it's like I need that much room.
No, I think you just need to bend this in.
What do you mean?
It's like this one spot that's like sticking out.
I grabbed the other one.
That right there. This is
Yeah,
not
that.
letting it go in. So you said it.
So we figured out something. It's like a perfect fitment. So it's touching over here, literally perfectly. And you come over here, and I shoved it behind this fender liner, and yeah, I mean it's a perfect fit. So I gotta take this screw out, and then drill a hole over here on this, and then we can fit that one in.
Perfect fit. It looks pretty good on.
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks way better than that black janky non-side skirt looking.
Yeah.
I don't even know why they put that on there.
And then and I don't know if I should even do a split or how.
I think if you, in my opinion, I'd just put something here, like just one piece to fit this little curve,
Oh yeah.
and go like that. That's all I would do, just right there on the end.
Yeah. Well, without further ado, let's get to some drilling. Now is drilled 4 holes so I can put the Rivnuts wherever they're at into here, and then we can put them underneath the car. I got, it's on this side, this side drilled out is going to go into that factory placement, so that way we don't have to have a Rivnut. It's just going to look clean. I can't wait. Raphael's over there taking off the stickers, getting rid of that track-ish look, going more for that clean look. That clean look. So let me put these side skirts in, and then I'll update y'all when they're on. So we're running into problems like usual.
Can you Rivnut to fender liner?
Sure. I don't know. Well, I need to see what's behind it. I mean, I know metal's behind it, but how far it is. Anyways, problems like usual. But the side skirts are on. There's only one screw in. And the reason why there's only one screw in, because if you come down here, this, I don't have any light. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but the actual body line of the car is at an angle. It's curved. And the bottom of the side skirt is straight, so I can't put any type of bolt underneath it. But, I mean, we have one screw in, and we can put quite a bit of tugging. It's pretty tight. But, so we're just going to have one screw up there and one screw back here. I don't know how we're going to do it. We're going to try to figure a way. But, whenever we figure out a way,
Alright, so we got the last bolt, we got the last bolt going on right here. Instead of taking off the wheel and putting one here, since it's pretty tight back here, we just decided to put a Rivnut down here. Because on this part, it's like the longest surface area to put one on, so. Would you recommend this Rivnut gun, Mark?
yes, it's actually really good.
Yeah, it actually is. For how much?
For $30.
Damn, yeah, that's pretty good.
I got that one page. I mean, for how it really is good. I can't lie. I would give it 5 stars.
Comes with a lot of sizes too.
What it comes with? Because it comes with it comes with all, like, I think it's 10 Rivnuts to each one of these. So it comes with the US standard and then metric. So good stuff. Good stuff. What? Wii Tools.
Weird name, but good product, I guess. Alright, so we're gonna get this side on the ground and move everything on the other side, and then we'll get to it. So it's done. Honestly, not that hard. Just there's some fitment issues, because obviously these are probably handmade. Like over here, there's a little bit of a gap, and then in the middle, he kind of shaved it down to help.
I tried shaving it down with a glass block as much as I could. But,
this one's a little bit worse.
Yeah, this one's a little worse.
But now we know how to fix it for next time. And everything is just pretty easy to take off, honestly, because there's only, what, 2 bolts on each of them?
There's one in the front, and then there's one underneath towards the back.
Yeah, here.
Then we got 3 cam tape in the side.
Probably see it. Somewhere over there. But yeah, looks pretty good.
Pictures. No pictures.
Tomorrow, pictures. Oh, what the fuck? You fogged up the thing. There we go.
Yeah, it looks a lot cleaner now.
We got the have a garage banner. It's a little bit messed up. I bet you didn't even notice until we said it. There we go. I guess we'll end this video tomorrow.
Yeah.
So there's actually sunlight and you can see the car out instead of inside this garage. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
With some pictures.
With pictures, rollers. We'll see what we can do. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. So see you then.
So it's the next day. Side skirts are on. Car looks beautiful. Look at this spot. This spot is amazing. We don't even know what this place is, but it's really nice. Side skirts look super clean, really sleek. Looks amazing. Gonna do like some little like canard type thing back here, or I might just do the whole thing. Don't know yet. that'll come in another video. Next will be the light bar, and that's basically it. We'll see you on the next video.